Hello, my name is Pam. Welcome to my channel, and if you are returning, welcome back. I appreciate you. If you like what you see here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I would appreciate that. Walter would also appreciate that. That's Walter sticking his little head in here. Okay, today what we're going to do is we are going to unbox two Ipsy Extras. Last month was Ultimate Month, and usually on the Ultimate Month I open an extra, my second account. So I get an extra and an ultimate, which the ultimate is like their premium box. And I forgot to turn the subscription off, so this month I got two Ipsy Extras. So we will check out, see what's in there. The other thing I want to talk about is New Beauty. For anybody that gets New Beauty that is watching my channel, just so you know, if you open it up about a quarter of the way in, you'll find this advertisement, and there is a sample here. I already took mine off, but there is a free sample, so I just wanted to point that out for anybody that gets the New Beauty subscription. Those are quarterly. I did not unbox it, guys, because there's no customization or anything. Everybody gets the same box. I'm sure there's people that have unboxed those on their channel, so just go ahead and search for those. Without further ado, we will unbox these two Ipsy Extras. Here's what the product looks like, and yeah, plastic container, directions: apply morning and evening, all over face and neck or wherever required. So it's just a general light moisturizer, it sounds like. Yeah. Lightweight, yeah, it's a serum. Very lightweight, feels nice, very lightly scented. Very lightly scented, smells fresh. It doesn't smell flowery. I think anybody could wear it as far as fragrance. It's not overly feminine or strong. And I do have psoriasis, as I've shared before. I do have a couple little breakouts. So the skin right now is very, very sensitive. And if there are things and lotions and creams that are going to irritate my skin, they will irritate my skin immediately when my skin's in this shape. And I put it all over my hand, and it felt soothing. So I have high hopes for this product. I will, if you want me to, I can give a follow-up video in the future and let you know what I think of it. But first impressions, I like it. Okay, so that item that Ipsy picked for me, that Hey Honey serum, was $49 per Ipsy, and I did verify that I believe it was Sephora, maybe. I can't remember now because I have like the memory of a goldfish where I saw it, but I did see it online at a couple different retailers for $49. So that checks out legit. So that $49, that one item, more than covered the cost of this box. And I do believe this box now, with shipping and everything included, I think we're like at $36 or $37. I'm not sure. I'll edit the video and put the cost per month in the video. I think I ended up paying like $34 a box. So that first item out of the box more than covered everything else. Everything else in here is free, right? Girl math. So the next thing that Ipsy picked for me was this Moon Slice Beauty palette, and this is a blush palette. If you hear little clickety clacks, my little dog Casey is in a mood, and he keeps running back and forth and back and forth. He doesn't need anything. He's been let out. He's had his dinner. He has everything. He's just in a mood to run back and forth. And my whole house is tile, so you can hear him running around. Anyway, and this is Walter. He's parked. He's an old man. He's 13, and he has chosen to sleep here while I record, and he will be here probably through the duration. All right, back to the video. So Moon Slice Beauty, this palette, Ipsy says it was $20, and it was $20 on the Moon Slice Beauty website until I don't know when, but it is marked down to $15. So this is actually worth $15 retail. Oh, it's magnetic, and it is cute. Like, it has a little moon on it and stuff. I like the packaging. Oh, and it's very pretty. Very, very pretty. And it has a mirror. That's a nice palette for $15. 4 blushes, and those are pretty universal colors. I think that's nice. The next thing, this is the first thing that I picked. This is by Fenty, and it is a hair repair It's called the Comeback Kid Instant Damage Repair Treatment. I was looking this product up on the website, and basically it looks like you wash your hair, you don't use conditioner, and then you just put this on. And if your hair is super damaged or very thick or coarse, then you can just leave it on and not rinse it out. But if you have finer, thinner hair, or your hair is not all that badly damaged, go ahead and rinse it out like a regular conditioner. And supposedly in one treatment, you see some results. You just leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. It also says, you know, if your hair is a little bit more damaged and you want more of an intensive treatment, you can like throw it on and then go to the gym or clean the house or whatever you have to do, and then rinse it out later. That's fine. So that's interesting. Sounds like a nice hair mask, and I will use that. Now, Ipsy is funny because when I just looked at the price of that, it says that this Fenty hair item was $38 and they had it marked down to $12, but then it also says that it's sold out. It is $38 full price on the Fenty website. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and smell this, and I'll let you know if it smells like the Fenty perfume. Okay. I took the cap off. I thought it might have one of those like little metal peel things that you have to peel off, but it doesn't. That's what the cap looks like. No, it doesn't really smell like Fenty perfume. It just kind of smells like its own thing. Honestly, to me, it gives me nostalgia. It smells like maybe old Paul Mitchell or Redken or something that I've smelled in a salon before. It smells like a high-end salon product. The next item I picked was snail snot, and let's see, per Ipsy this goes for $25, but per the website it's $20.90, or that might have been Ulta. I don't know. Somewhere in the internet you can get this for $20.90. I'm not sure. Oh, made in Korea. Okay. It's a Korean product, and it's snail mucin, and it's supposed to be very hydrating. I've seen this product around for a while, but I never tried it. I've been interested, so I figured, why not, right? This is the time to try it. So I saw one person try it, and it looked like it was pretty thick, and it's stringy like. See? It has some tack to it. So, it has absolutely no smell whatsoever. It does feel very hydrating. I'm going to go ahead and put it on my other hand. That's broke out a little bit, and I'll let you know if it stings. Nope. Feels fine. All right. All right. So it sounds like I have another good hydration thing for my hands. And it is a good hydrator. Look at the hydration it put in on my skin. That's pretty nice. And it's just very slightly tacky, but that probably dries down. I'm not sure how well this product works under makeup. I've never had it before, so I can't attest to that. I know that this has been around for a while and had went viral in years past. I wasn't a part of any of that. I wasn't into makeup or really watching the internet much at that time, so I don't know much about it other than that happened because other creators had talked about it. All right, the next thing that I picked is this Supreme Nudes Artist Couture palette, and Ipsy says it's $45, and I did verify online that on not their website. On their website it was $45, but it is sold out. And there is another website, what was it called? Innovate the Label. The website Innovate the Label has these, and they are still full retail price for $45. So this is made in China. Right there. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It has this protective plastic over the top. Keep your grubby fingerprints off of it. I'm going to leave it on there for a minute till I open it up and see what I think. Ooh, it's very pretty. Okay, so it has the mirror, and that's pretty. It's very pretty. So it looks like we actually have a satin eyeshadow. It's several mattes, a satin, and then a few glitter shadows. So that's interesting. Let me know in the comments if you want to see swatches of these palettes. And like I said, I will do it, but unless somebody comments and says that they want that, I'm not gonna I'm not going to do it. So the next thing I have, these last few items, these are add-ons. I believe I paid $6.50 for this, so I got ripped off because the month prior it was $4. I didn't realize it. I didn't really care. I wanted it. I've had this mascara. It's by Benefit. It's called They're Real. This is like their mini size. I've had it before. I love it, and what I like about it particularly is, oops, do you see the end is like a little mace there? It's like a ball with little spikies. That is awesome for getting your lower lash line. My lower lash line is really small and sparse, and that will get to every hair. So that's why I picked that up. My old one I threw out a while ago, and I've just been using whatever mascara since then, and I wanted another one, so I got the little travel size. All right, so the next thing I picked up are these Olaplex scalp longevity treatments. So it says for all hair types. These you can apply to wet hair prior to styling, or put them on your dry hair on your scalp as like an overnight treatment. So there we go, I got that. I wanted to try it. Let's see how big these are. Yeah, about what I expected. Pretty small. I think these were $3.50 each. It was $16.50 for all my add-ons. So that includes that and these three things. So that's not bad. And there's enough in here, especially with having two of them, that I'll be able to test it out and see if it's something I like, and I want to get the full-size Olaplex. I have pretty much the entire Olaplex line. I love Olaplex. And the last thing I got was the Glow Recipe Toner Pad Collection Set, because I wanted to try it. One of these has that PDRN, which is supposed to help you like be a collagen rebuilder. And it has exfoliating pads and vitamin C pads. So I got these as add-ons. So free pads. That's nice. All right, that is the end of Ipsy box number 1. We're going to go right on to number 2.
See you in the next video for box number 2. Thank you.